Hi, good day everyone. Today we're going to look at the LCD Map Converter Pro, which allows you to convert any graphic image, JPEG, BMP, PNG, GIF, into a text-coded file that can be imported into any firmware that has an LCD, which has 1 to 4-bit restrictions. And this app will allow you to convert to and fro. So while you can convert an image into textual format, it could be decimal or hexadecimal. They have two types. And in the firmware, when you compile any firmware, you provide a link to the text file, and that graphical display would appear on the device. Also, it can convert from text to graphic image. So if you're comfortable only modifying any graphical format, you will then import the text file. It will create the bitmap file or the graphic file, and then you can edit it in your favorite or your preferred graphic tool, and then you can convert it back and re-import into your firmware, so you'll have that graphic image as a splash screen or background for dynamic objects to display functionality. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to give an example here. Load up an image. Let's find an image that's right. So there we have the image in color format. Now draw your attention to the color depth on the top. It can be 1 to 4-bit. 4-bit is the highest, so you get the cleanest look and color depth. You'll notice on the left side it gives the dimension horizontal and vertical for the bitmap, and then we just go to save text. So we click save text, right, and that's the name of the file that will be saved as. So say save. Right. Now we'll have the fun part where we will load the text to see what and how it will look on the device. So we go to load text. Right. So you can see the color depth is far less, but it maintains the aspect ratio and the graphic. So you get a real-time appreciation of how this product will look on your device. In the next moment, we will. Okay, as promised, here is a sneak peek of the text file created from the image. As you can see, in this case, it defaults to the hexadecimal. It populates an array that's interpreted and converted to a visual display in your firmware. And this, of course, is the 4-bit version, so you get more clarity. And depending on the restrictions of your device, you can go to 2-bit or 1-bit, which will be very little color depth, but you will achieve the graphical impression that you desire on your device.